Welcome to the future of manufacturing excellence with Ausweg, your trusted partner in revolutionizing productivity through overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. Imagine a manufacturing floor where every second counts, where efficiency is not just a goal but a reality. Ausweg's digital dashboard empowers you with real-time access to critical key performance indicators, KPIs, and statistics, all within seconds. Let's delve into the features and benefits that set Ausweg apart. Enhance traceability effortlessly. Say goodbye to manual planning and Excel manipulations. With Ausweg, these tasks are minimized, reserved for exceptions only, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters: productive manufacturing. Gain full visibility into demand, schedules, capacity utilization, and scrap. Ausweg offers a comprehensive supply chain system, ensuring that authorized personnel have real-time visibility into the entire process chain. No more waiting for reports. With Ausweg, experience real-time KPI reporting, enabling you to make informed decisions promptly. Stay ahead of the curve with data-driven insights at your fingertips. Step into the future with Ausweg's paperless workspace. Embrace efficiency, reduce waste, and contribute to a greener environment by eliminating the need for unnecessary paperwork. Choose a proactive approach over a reactive one. Ausweg empowers your team to make strategic decisions based on accurate data, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Take control of your manufacturing process like never before. Ausweg ensures complete process control, allowing you to capture shop floor activities with unparalleled visibility. Ausweg, your pathway to manufacturing excellence. Revolutionize productivity, eliminate waste, and embrace a future where every manufacturing minute is truly productive. Contact us today and unlock the full potential of your manufacturing operations. Ausweg, where innovation meets efficiency.